Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. I am Kaushik. Hi to everyone. My plan is to go through some of the important aspects of data science. Now, some of the key words first we need to understand. Okay. So I know artificial intelligence is a big word now. Now, within artificial intelligence, we have machine learning, we have deep learning. People are interested about data science. What is all these things? Now, artificial intelligence, any application where you do not need basically human intervention and machine can take that decision, that is artificial intelligence. Some of the important examples are like fraud detection. In the banking sector, a lot of you have probably credit card or debit card, and when you are swiping the cards, it is generating a transaction, and based on that transaction patterns, machines actually identifying whether it's a fraud transactions or it is not a fraud transaction, and then you are getting a notification that there is a fraud. So there is no human intervention, but machine is taking the decision by that transaction. So this is actually a very good example of a classification problem where you are classifying a particular transaction, whether it is fraud or a not fraud. But main thing is to understand what is artificial intelligence. So this is one of the example of artificial intelligence where machine is taking this decision. Similarly, a lot of people are using Netflix. Netflix based on your watch pattern. Like if you probably watched yesterday the comedy movie, next day when you open the Netflix, you'll probably see those kind of recommendation. So on the back, machine is taking that decision. There is no human intervention. Nobody is actually watching that, okay, what you watched, and based on that, the recommendation is coming. It's completely machine is taking that decision. Object detection. It's a very, very intelligent topic. Amazon's personalized shopping experience. You do a shopping today, probably iPhone. Next day, if you open Amazon, it will give you the recommendation. Do you need iPhone cover, iPhone screen, iPhone screen guard? All these things. Everything is happening by the machine, and all these applications are example of artificial intelligence. Self-driving car. I am from USA, and self-driving car is getting very, very popular now in USA. And that's a perfect example of artificial intelligence where a car is taking all the decisions by himself, no human intervention. So everything, whenever you are working on a data science role or data science project, any applications when you are building, that is artificial intelligence. Now, within artificial intelligence, there are machine learning, there are deep learning, there are NLP, all these things. So, if I have to classify or if I have to show in a broader picture, I'll probably say let's consider everything is artificial intelligence. Within artificial intelligence, there is machine learning. And when it is machine learning, it's using a lot of statistical tools by which the machine is analyzing the data, visualizing the data, doing forecasting, doing predictions. All these things are happening within machine learning. Within machine learning, there is another subset for me, it's deep learning. Deep learning is where you're basically mimicking the human brain and machine is taking decision. Again, here the multi-layer neural network is coming into picture. We'll go through all these things in detail, but just understand the overall, the picture, how things are. Okay. So, as I mentioned, AI for me, even if you do a Googling, a lot of definitions are there, but high level, just remember this thing. Machine performing task without any human intervention is a machine. It's artificial intelligence. ML within that, it's a stats tool using a lot of statistical tools to analyze the data, visualize data, forecast, and predict. Deep learning is basically human brain mimicking the human brain, and it is using the multi-layer neural network. Okay. So then what is data science? Data science is basically everything. When you are working as a data science in a project, in a company, you might have to work on machine learning project. You might have to work on a deep learning project. You might have to work on NLP, natural language processing. You might have to do some of the text classifications and all those things. So everything is data science. In my next video, I will explain more on the machine learning and the classification of supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, reinforcement learning, all these things. My plan is to cover all these things. Whatever I know, I'll try to share it. So if anybody would like to learn and grow with me, more than welcome. If you like my channel, just subscribe, that will help me. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.